there, Attorney Brian R. Kazarian with the law offices of Brian R. Kazarian. Today we're going to talk about Penal Code Section 647A, which is lewd conduct in a public place. Well, the first thing we need to talk about is what does the prosecution have to prove beyond a reasonable doubt to a jury in order to convict somebody for this misdemeanor crime? Well, the first thing that they'd have to prove is that you touched yourself or you touched another person, and that touching was done in a specific intent to arouse yourself or to annoy another, that touching was done in a public place or it was something that was open to the public, and that you acted in a way that you knew would offend somebody else, and that you knew or should have known that touching would have offended somebody else. Well, what are some of the punishments for Penal Code Section 647A, lewd conduct? Well, the punishment is, in fact, that it's a misdemeanor and you could suffer a misdemeanor conviction. And if the judge wishes, he could order you to be registered as a sex offender, although it's not mandatory. That 6-month misdemeanor holds also a fine of $1,000 plus penalty assessment, and penalty assessments in Orange County is 471%. Well, what are some of the defenses? Well, one of the defenses could be is that you didn't act in a lewd manner. In other words, maybe you were just scratching an itch or something to that effect. Another defense could be is that whatever you did wasn't in a public place or it wasn't open to public view. In other words, it was in your bedroom and the curtains were closed. And another one could be is that you just did not engage in this type of conduct. So if you or a loved one are ever arrested, investigated, or charged for Penal Code Section 647A, lewd conduct, contact the law offices of Brian R. Kazarian. We're here to help.